Hey y'all, hey, it's me, Sexologist Shamyra, popping in with another really quick video. By now, I know that millions of us have already watched the infamous WAP video with Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion, right? And so if you've not watched it, maybe you could go give it a watch. There's an explicit version, which is probably the better version. Just kidding. No, maybe not. But there's an explicit version and there is an edited version, of course. And so there's a few things that are going on in the video that I wanted to bring to your attention so that you can kind of like use this as motivation if you were struggling or stuck in the area of pleasure and orgasm, and if you were questioning what your vagina can do, right? So one, pleasure is our birthright. As you see or heard in this video, it was all about these women's sexual pleasure. I often tell you that it is your responsibility to be in charge and take charge of your own pleasure. And so these women are talking about that, rapping about that, doing that unapologetically in this song. So be able to do that. Tap into that part of you, especially as it relates to orgasm. Your orgasm is your responsibility. If you know anything about the orgasm gap, then you know that the orgasm gap tells us that women who are in relationships with men are orgasming way less than the men that they are in a relationship with, or in the men that they're having sex with. Men, on the other hand, are orgasming closer to 99% of the time. Women a little less than 70% of the time, right? So if you want to orgasm more, if you want more sexual pleasure, it's your responsibility to take charge of that, okay? Take charge of that by really like exploring yourself, becoming more in tune with yourself, and touching yourself. Asking yourself this one question: what do I want to get out of sex, right? Don't get caught up in the title of the song, right? Because we know that wetness and vaginal lubrication varies from person to person. And you are more a woman or less a woman because of how wet your vagina lubricates, right? It does indicate some arousal and sometimes it does not. Either way it goes, we should all be using lube when we have sex, because of course, as you heard in that song, wetter is better. So if you want more wet sex, use lube, but also use this video and this song to prompt you to take control of your pleasure, because pleasure is your birthright and it's a revolutionary act. Look at how many people are talking about this song, and it's specifically about women's sexual pleasure. Pleasure is revolutionary. Bye, y'all.